This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature. Oil and sludge will flow more easily when warm. Park on a level surface and shut off the engine when it's warmed up. Pull the hood release lever underneath the steering wheel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood, then support it with the rod. Being careful not to touch the hot exhaust components, position a drain pan under the drain plug in the bottom of the engine. Clean the area around the plug, then remove it. Wearing protective gloves is highly recommended. Allow the old oil to drain into the pan. Remove the oil filler cap. After the oil has been drained, wipe off the drain plug with a clean rag. Any small metal particles clinging to the plug would immediately contaminate the new oil. Also clean the area around the drain plug opening on the oil pan. Reinstall the plug and tighten it securely, but avoid stripping the threads. Move the drain pan into position under the oil filter. Loosen the oil filter by turning it counterclockwise with a filter wrench. Any standard filter wrench will work. Once the filter is loose, use your hands to unscrew it from the block. Empty out the oil from the old filter into the drain pan. Using a clean rag, wipe off the filter mounting surface on the block. Also make sure that none of the old gasket remains stuck in the mounting surface. It can be removed with a scraper if necessary. Compare the old filter with the new one to make sure that they are the same type. Smear some engine oil onto the rubber gasket of the new filter, then screw it into place. Over-tightening the filter will damage the gasket, so don't use a filter wrench. Tighten the filter by hand only. Remove all tools and materials from under the vehicle, being careful not to spill the oil in the drain pan. Add new oil of the specified type to the engine through the oil filler neck. Use a funnel to prevent oil from spilling onto the top of the engine. Pour 4 quarts of fresh oil into the engine. Wait a few minutes to allow the oil to drain into the pan. Pull the engine oil dipstick out of the tube and wipe all the oil away from the end with a clean rag or paper towel. Insert the clean dipstick all the way back into the tube and pull it out again. Note the oil at the end of the dipstick. At its highest point, the oil should be above the add mark in the cross-hatched range. Once the oil level is in the cross-hatched range, install the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for about a minute. Turn the engine off and wait a few minutes. Then recheck the level on the dipstick. Add oil as necessary to bring the level into the safe range. Fully install the dipstick and filler cap.